Hello everyone, we are Team.exe and today we are presenting Kavach for Work, a smart climate insurance platform designed to protect gig workers from income loss caused by extreme weather condition. This is our home page. When you are clicking the Kavach app, it will open directly to your home screen. The user selects Join Kavach to start the process. Next, the user enters basic details such as name, full name, mobile number, state, city, and password. Password is the crucial thing. Now, why we are selecting location? Since location is determining your specific risk profile, this step is vital for our dynamic risk pricing model. Since the transparency is our core pillar, before entering the dashboard, user reviews 8 clear policies covering our parametric service model and AI-driven hardware verification. Our system compares your registered city with real-time geolocation API. To ensure fairness, we have to perform live location verification. On that purpose, this ensures accurate hyper-local climate tracking across 36 plus Indian states and union territories. Once verified, click accept to enter your personal command center. Welcome to your dashboard. At a glance, you can monitor live weather intel and your coverage status. For every new user, we provide a ₹100 welcome bonus credited directly to your built-in wallet to kickstart your protection. The navigation is intuitive. Home is for live monitoring, wallet for finances, file claim for instant relief, and the Kavach AI assistant for 24/7 support. Currently, your shield is inactive. Let's change that. Now, to enable protection, simply swipe to activate. A micro premium typically between ₹29 to ₹50 per week depending on your regional risk is deducted from your wallet. If your balance is low, the wallet systems makes top up easy via bank transfer or UPI. Once activate, your Kavach shield is live for 7 days, protecting your earnings against predefined heat thresholds such as temperatures exceeding between 39 degree to 45 degrees Celsius. When the heat becomes hazardous, go to the file claim section. Our weather oracle instantly check real-time data from API like OpenMeteo and OpenWeather. If the temperature meets the trigger point, our Sentry AI takes over using a random forest model. It analyzes 8 native devices signals, including battery temperature and GPS jitter, to verify you are actually working outdoor or not. That this telemetry-based truth prevents indoor fraud, ensuring payout only goes to those truly at risk. Once verified, the claim is approved instantly. No paperwork, no waiting, and instant UPI payout. Now, you can activate and deactivate shield at any time. But if you activate the shield, your money has been deducted. But if you deactivate the shield, you cannot take the money back from after deduction. Now, the Gemini-powered Kavach AI assistant is available 24/7 in multiple languages to guide you through claims or policies details. Kavach ensures secure onboarding, risk protection, and instantly AI verified resilience for digital workforce. Stay cool, stay covered, and stay protected with Kavach. Now comes to our admin portal. Since our secure admin portal provides real-time oversight to protect outdoor workers from extreme climate risk. The Overview tab gives you a bird's-eye view of your workflow, track total user, monitor revenue versus payout, and analyze weekly profit margin at a glance. In the claim section, transparency is the key. See live updates on worker temperature like this 50.2 degrees Celsius alert, and manages claim approvals or rejection instantly. Switching to the Fraud AI tab, showing service waking up on the render. Security is powered by intelligence. Our Fraud AI detection service automatically flags suspicious partner, ensuring that help goes to those who truly needs it. The workers map showing GPS pinch across India. Finally, both AI has been online. Now you can see that how everything is changed. Finally, the live worker map is tracked your team in real time across the region, providing a visual safety net for every boots on the ground employee. Kavach for work, intelligent protection for changing climate. Thank you.